falling 또 나를 부르네 calling.
Okay, so you're going to take a washed zucchini. I cut off the ends. Okay, throw those in the garbage. Then just cut them in somewhat small slices, but if you like it thick, then you can cut them thicker. First you need a bowl, 2 eggs. Okay, so the eggs are cracked. You're going to take milk, and you're going to do 1 tablespoon of milk. Then you're going to add a little bit of salt, barely any. Add a little bit of garlic. And some pepper. Okay. Now just scramble them or mix them all together. Okay, take a little bit of butter, just a little bit, put it onto the pan, and just kind of wait for it to melt. Once it's melted completely, you're going to take some zucchini, and I just use a fork, dip it in the egg, get it, and just set it. On this pan you can put about 6 zucchinis. And now you're going to need to leave these for about 5 minutes, and then we'll flip them. So when they're close to being done, about halfway, sprinkle some salt on them, and then they should be good. Okay, so when you flip them over, they should have a little brown to them, and that means they're done. They don't have to be completely brown unless you want it super crunchy. So just flip all. Now you're going to take some cheese and just sprinkle it on so it covers the top of all the zucchini. Okay, when the cheese is fully melted on the top, that means it's done. And you can take them off and put them on the plate. If you want to make more, just repeat the process.
Whistle like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up,